Alright, let's get spicy. Because today I'm busting the biggest, juiciest myths about investing. You know, the kind your uncle whispers at Thanksgiving after 3 glasses of boxed wine. Myth number 1, you need a ton of money to start investing. Sure, and I need a yacht to go swimming. Reality check. Most apps let you start with $5. That's less than your last coffee order with oat milk and 2 pumps of self-worth. Myth 2. Investing is only for boring adults. Please. The real adult move is making your money work harder than you do scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. And don't get me started on you have to beat the market. If I had $1 for every time someone said that, I'd invest it in an index fund and let it chill. Statistically, most people who try to beat the market end up losing to it. So unless you've got a crystal ball, or you're secretly Warren Buffett's love child, just ride the wave, babe. Here's what you do instead. Start early, invest consistently, and don't freak out if the market drops. Think of it like dating. You don't ghost your investments after one bad day. And hey, investing isn't just for rich dudes in suits. It's for you, your bestie, and even your ex's new girlfriend. So what's holding you back? Drop a comment with your weirdest investment myth. I promise, I'll roast it in the replies. Smash that like button if I made you laugh, and subscribe for more hot takes and money moves. Let's make your money as hot as your DMs. See you inside.